Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm finally doing this and I'm super excited. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Risha. I'm pretty
Sure, everyone who sees this knows me, but
sure I'm Risha and I am going to be a YouTuber.
yes. Okay.
So for my first video, I am going to do my makeup for the first time. I mean, I usually put a like lipstick and like eyeliner and stuff, but today I'm going to do a full-fledged makeup. I have never done it before. I have only watched tutorials, so I hope it goes well.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mess it up, but it's fine. It's all for the content.
So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with lacto-calamine lotion to just as like a before I put on my primer, like I just put it on because it's like a cream. It just makes it easier to take off later. Plus, like now I'm not going anywhere, so I need something to help me take it off later. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in. So while I do it, I want to talk about a few things with you guys, what you can expect and stuff like that. But before that, I'm sorry with the sun.
The sun doesn't leave me alone, man. Okay. JK, fine. Love you, sun. Okay.
Anyways, even though we have like zero talent, but it's fine. But I feel like we should start to normalize a makeup that's not too expensive, like Lakme and Maybelline. Like compared to other makeup products, they're super cheap and like super affordable. And I feel like some people think it's not cool, but I think we should normalize that and we should like use them as see as long as they're safe to our skin, it shouldn't matter, right? Like, so that's what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to preach, but I'm just saying maybe we should make it a trend to like it's okay to use cheap makeup. So just shh. Okay, so the first thing that I am gonna do is put on the Lakme primer. So this primer, and it's I think a cover foundation, so this is like a 2-in-1 thingy. I never really apply foundation. I always thought it was only like Americans and people abroad who did it, because I had never seen like people in India like doing like full-fledged makeup with like foundation. Like, but then I wasn't really like into YouTube tutorials, like makeup tutorials of Indians. I always saw like the Goras do it. So yeah.
Is Gora racist? Okay, I'm sorry if it's racist. I don't know. Okay, if it's racist, I'm just gonna edit it out.
Oops. So I'm gonna use a sponge and just blend it in. So just, yeah, I think I put a little too much. It's fine, the sponge will like take it in. Okay, I'm sorry about the sun. But yeah, that's one thing. And what you guys can expect on my channel is a lot of basic stuff. Like I'm going to be doing videos, making videos with my friends, and then maybe I'll do like most of the things I do, I try to make it funny. And something that you will not see on my channel is anything politically inclined. For me, at least, growing up, when I had a really strong political opinion, I don't now. I mean, I do have a political opinion and people very close to me know that. I don't really talk about it on social media or anything, because I feel like there are enough people talking about it. People should talk about it, but I'm just not one of those people who want to. So that's something you will not see on my channel for a very, very long time. So you know, that's something that I'm putting it out there. I'm just going to blend everything in with my hands. I always feel like once you do this, it settles better. And I've never actually used the brush or like a sponge. I'm doing it for the first time today.
So I feel very fancy. I feel like James Charles. Hello, stars.
Okay, that's so lame. Okay, so next I'm just gonna set it up with some powder. I'm gonna bake my face. Jeez, guys, I can't tell you how much I waited to do this. So I'm just gonna put it here. Usually they put bronzer, but I don't have bronzer. But the thing is, like, one trick that I learned is put like brown like lipstick over here and here and here. I don't have my brown lipstick right now, or I've done that, but it's fine. So I'm gonna let it bake for a while, and while it bakes, I'm gonna do my eyes. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. So like I was saying about the makeup, obviously there are some things that we just can't compromise on, some things that are just gonna be expensive, and I feel like eyeshadows and highlighters are one of them. Of course, like we have to invest in things like this, but when there are things available, for example lipsticks, you know, like MAC lipsticks are super expensive, but at the same time Maybelline and like Lakme have actually, like, they have good lipsticks, and I feel like people don't use it because they feel like, I don't know, awkward or what. But then I feel like we should just normalize it, because as much as like we're spending money, and like money is like precious, you know. I've heard too much from my dad, sorry guys. But like for real, if I told my dad the prices of makeup these days, like he would freak out. He would like freak out. I'm just gonna put a little here in the corner of my eyes. That's something I really like, even though I poke my eyes half the time. Today I'm not gonna, because self-conscious. I was gonna say the B word, but this is a safe channel, so it's fine. I think my face is baked enough, so I'm just gonna take this unicorn brush and just... I must be looking like fucking dumb doing this, but it's fine. Okay, next I'm just gonna do some blush highlighter. So there's just one thing, it's Lakme again. There's like everything in one, which is amazing, so I can just choose and then do it. So I'm gonna take the blush and just do this. Oh shit, I missed the most important part. The excess goes out, so that's really important, because you want excess on your face. Okay, I look like a joker now, so I'm just gonna... It's fine, like even if it's not there too much, it's fine. Like as long as it's there, it's fine. I don't care, nobody's gonna see me anyways. Okay, so next I'm just gonna do some highlighter. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and then just do it here like this. I like highlighter a lot. It really like just brings everything up. That's what she said, but okay, yeah. I like to put a little highlighter on my forehead as well. I don't know, I don't know. Okay, again, don't do too much because it'll get rubbed off. And yeah, I hate that my eyes are gonna be like this the entire time, but that's just how I talk in general. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to do primer, but it's fine. But at least you know I know how to do it. That's important. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna do the eyes now, because I'm not going out. I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner, because like the real ones know how hard it is to get eyeliner out, and even if you do, if you get eyeliner out, like it's all over here and it just doesn't go. It's damn annoying, and that's why I'm not even gonna do mascara. But I'm gonna put on some lash serum, because why not? And again, this is like proper lash serum, but something like my grandmom told me is you can put castor oil and it works exactly the same. So this is the kind of shit I'm gonna keep telling you on my channel, how to like improvise and how to just like start doing better with makeup and the things that you have at home. And like if you want me to make videos on that, I would love to, so let me know. And for lipstick, I'm usually a dark lipstick girl. If you follow me on Instagram, all of them I'm wearing dark lipsticks. I don't think light lipsticks suit me well, so I'm just gonna put on this red lipstick. I think this is again from Maybelline. Girl promoting what she uses, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not using... Okay, so this is my makeup look. And yeah, so yeah, coming back to the point, my videos are just gonna be very light-hearted and nothing serious. And one thing is, I'm not doing this for like people on YouTube. I'm doing this mainly for like my followers or like my friends and my family members. And this is just something that I can look back on and then just like cringe over how bad I looked, or how bad I was, whatever I was wearing or whatever, because I'm sure I'm not gonna be the same a few years from now. I was not like this 2 years ago, so it's gonna be very different. But yeah guys, I hope to have a lot of fun, and I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun making these videos and uploading them and everything. So yeah, this is me. But yeah guys, this is it for this video. And subscribe, like, share. Okay, I've been waiting to do this for years, so I'm gonna do it again. Like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you don't miss any notifications from me. And yes guys, this is me. This is Fun Times with Rish. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.